DPI World Report, Episode 21. Signal, when the system first speaks. Every system reaches a moment where it speaks, not loudly, not dramatically, but clearly. A signal is not an event. It is a deviation that matters. A temperature crossing a line, a river arriving early. A delay repeating often enough to be noticed. Signals are the system's first language. Most failures do not begin with catastrophe. They begin with signals that are seen and not acted on. Episode 20, Examined Authority. Episode 21 steps one layer earlier. Before authority decides, before response is triggered, someone must recognize that a signal's real. In functioning systems, signals are boring. They are routine. They are trusted. They are acted on without debate. In stress systems, signals are negotiated. Is this noise? Is this temporary? Is this within tolerance? Each question delays action. Each delay teaches the system that speaking has no consequence. Digital public infrastructure excels at producing signals. Sensors do not hesitate. Models do not doubt themselves. Humans do. The critical failure mode is not missing data. It is delayed belief. When belief lags behind evidence, systems drift. Thresholds are raised. Alerts are softened. Language changes. Anomaly becomes variance. Warning becomes trend. Nothing breaks, but nothing improves. Episode 21 establishes a foundational rule. If a system cannot speak clearly, it cannot be governed. This is why signal design matters more than signal volume. More data does not create clarity. Clear thresholds do. Explicit consequences do. Defined ownership of interpretation does. In resilient systems, signals trigger questions, not arguments. What changed? Who needs to know? What action follows? In fragile systems, signals trigger debate. And debate is where time goes to disappear. As we continue this orbit, we will trace what happens after the signal. Who hears it, who interprets it, who acts, and who benefits from delay. Because the future of implementation does not hinge on prediction. It hinges on listening. This is the DPI World Report, and this is Episode 21, Signal, when the system first speaks.